Spring porch decor ideas for 2026. Spring is the season of fresh starts, longer days, and welcoming spaces. And one of the easiest ways to refresh your home is right outside your front door. Today, we're exploring spring porch decor ideas for 2026. Simple, beautiful ways to transform your outdoor space. And of course, to create a warm welcome for every guest who arrives. Welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of our family and make sure that you don't miss a video. So first, we're going to talk about fresh florals and greenery. Nothing says spring quite like fresh flowers and greenery. From potted plants to hanging baskets, adding natural elements instantly brings life to your porch. Soft pastels, bright blooms, even simple greenery can make the space feel fresh and inviting. Layering different heights, like tall planters paired with smaller pots, also creates a fuller, more styled look. So now let's talk about wreaths and front door decor. Your front door is the focal point of your porch. A seasonal wreath is one of the most simple ways to update the entire space. Spring wreaths often feature florals, greenery, or even beautiful soft ribbons. You can also add small accents like a welcome sign or a decorative door hanger just for a more personal touch. So now, let's talk about cozy seating areas. Now, people have porches of different sizes, and if your porch has the space, adding seating can completely transform the feel. Whether it's a simple bench, a pair of chairs, or even a porch swing, these elements turn your porch into a space to relax, not just to pass through. Adding cushions and pillows in soft, seasonal colors makes the space feel even more inviting. Something else I love: textures and layers. One of the secrets to a beautiful porch is layering textures. So here's what I mean by that. I am talking woven baskets, outdoor rugs, lightweight throws, and natural materials. These layers add warmth and depth to the space, and it makes the space look thoughtfully designed, even if you didn't spend a lot of time thinking about it. Even a simple rug can help define the area and make it feel complete. Something else to think about is your spring color palettes. Spring is the perfect time to introduce lighter, brighter colors. For me this year, I found a really cute tree online on Amazon. I will link it, and it has all these pink buds over it. So I paired it with a pink floral wreath for my front door. Then I have blue and pink pillows, and it really just tied the space in. Makes it look a whole lot more expensive than what it was, what I actually paid for it. But you can think soft pastels, even warm neutrals, and gentle pops of color. These shades create a fresh, uplifting atmosphere, So whether you prefer subtle tones or brighter accents, keeping the palette cohesive helps everything feel intentional. Now this is a front porch, so let's not forget the welcoming details. Small details can make a big difference. So a welcome mat, lanterns, decorative signs, or even a small table with seasonal decor. These finishing touches help create a space feel warm and inviting. It's really about creating a moment right at the front door. And it becomes an area that's not just the pass through for being on the outside and going to the inside of your house. Like it really becomes its own outdoor living room. Now here's one we don't talk about a lot, but it's just as important, and that's going to be lighting for evening ambiance. Now, you need more than just your porch light. However, if you're just starting out or don't want to invest a lot into this makeover we're doing on your front porch, the porch light is fine. But as the sun sets, lighting becomes the star. So think string lights, lanterns, soft outdoor lighting. These elements create a warm glow that makes your porch feel cozy and welcoming in the evening. It gives you this nice, cool, chill space to hang out for hours at a time if you want to. Lighting adds atmosphere and extends the use of your space beyond just the daytime. So here's the best way to wrap it up. Spring porch decor isn't about perfection. It's about creating a space that feels fresh, inviting, and welcoming to everybody that enters into it. A place where guests will feel right at home before they even step inside your home. Now, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to Home Decor 101 for more decor inspiration and seasonal ideas. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite way to decorate your porch for spring? Don't forget to check the description box. I'm going to have all kind of cute little spring decor listed there, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.